this is me chatting with my friends and a message pops up that there's an occasion we have to attend. Yeah, I'm shocked because I don't have any outfit planned for this event, but I'm happy because I have to attend an event. Oh no. But I don't have a clothes to wear. They didn't tell me on time. Oh my god. What do I do now? Oh, okay. Then I have to. How do I start picking out clothes now? I didn't plan for this event, but then I still have to make it. Okay, let me just try out something. Okay. So I decided to check my wardrobe and I found out I had a lot of clothes and I didn't have an idea of what exactly to wear. Hold up, have you ever been in this kind of a situation? If you've been in this kind of a fix, then this video is for you. Okay guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Favor Opar, and if you're just seeing this face for the first time, please don't make it your last. Kindly hit that subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up because you are going to find this video helpful. Okay, so guys, starting with a very basic but yet timeless piece, we're going to start with an oversized tee. I'm going to show you how to style it. Straight to the first outfit. So this is an oversized white t-shirt, a button down t-shirt which I styled with a fedora hat and a black strap heel with a black bag. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to style this shirt in a different manner. Here's me folding out the hand to give it a more classy or bougie look. So this outfit is just giving a classy but not too serious vibe, a bougie vibe, and I hope you like it because I did. Okay guys, next outfit. So this particular outfit is giving an expensive boss babe look. Yeah, from the pants, the office pants, and the fedora, the bag, the shoe, which is a red sole pump stiletto heel. Yeah, that completes it. So next look, I styled the button down shirt with a mom's jean and a white mouse, pairing it with a white bag. It just gives this, you know, nice classy vibe. Yeah, off to the next outfit. And yes, a very basic outfit which looked so pink. Styling a white plain t-shirt with mom's jean, your sneakers, and a bag to pair it up with. So the next outfit, we have this same basic white t-shirt styled to a classy vibe. Yeah, all you need to do is just add your favorite heels to this outfit with jeans. Next fit is just styling the same white basic tee with any joggers of your choice. Here I styled it with yellow joggers and a white head warmer. Hope you like it. Next outfit is styling your mom's jean with any graphic t-shirt of your choice. Here I styled it with a blue graphic t-shirt and a white sneakers with the lace blue and orange pattern at the back. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. Hope you love this outfit because I really loved it. It gave me this young youth kind of vibe, you get. And then this particular outfit was so chic. This kind of outfit, we all know we use it to run errands, so you just style any graphic t-shirt of your choice with a biker shirt. That's it. So talking about styling any graphic t-shirt of your choice, I styled the first one which was pink, and here is a black graphic tee, just pairing with my yellow sneakers because of the yellow graphic on it. And yeah, I really loved it because this is a very comfy yet nice outfit. Next fit we have here is just the sea green, or should I say blue, I don't really know. But yeah, this outfit is just a free yet comfortable dressy gown, and it's just so, you know, chic and gives this rich auntie vibes. You can style this particular kind of dress to the beach or on a vacation trip, you know, with any particular flat of your choice. The next outfit here is a monochrome outfit, and we all know that monochrome outfits are actually the best of all babies, like the best in the game. When you get yourself in a monochrome outfit, you actually skyrocket your fashion game to number one. You know what I'm talking about. If you're in the game, you should know what I'm talking about. So yes, I decided to style a monochrome yellow outfit and pair it up with a red bag. I know, yeah, you're wondering why I wore a red bag with this outfit. Yeah, my shoe is actually a very colorful shoe with red on it, so yeah, I paired it up together. The next outfit here is a black monochrome outfit. You can see from my smile that I'm really happy about this fit. I love this fit a lot. So this is actually a black monochrome outfit. Like I said, this is a black long skirt with a black long sleeve bodycon top. Yes, this bodycon top is actually a turtleneck bodycon top, and I decided to style it with a brown, monochrome Louis Vuitton bag and a nude Mills. And if you can see here, I also styled it with a nude fedora hat. I really love this fedora game a lot. So which, if you follow me on my Instagram page, you notice I really love it. I hope you love it. So this particular next fit is just me trying to flex my styling game. Yeah, I actually like doing a lot of styling with versatile pieces. Yes, I will always encourage anyone to make sure you get versatile pieces while shopping for items. This is because you actually need your outfits or your clothing items to be a multi-purpose clothing item for you to be able to style in different ways and manner. As you can see, I styled this particular long black skirt as a gown, and also styled this yellow top from my first monochrome outfit to give this outfit. I hope you love it. So guys, this particular outfit is just giving the whole baby girl vibes. This I'm a baby girl and I need to be taken care of. Yes guys, so you can actually get a very simple but yet bodycon mini gown, pair it up with a heel, because heels just take your clothes from 0 to 100. Yeah, and then pair it up with any bag of your choice, and then you can actually appear so cute and take away. So the next outfit here is just a purple gown, a bodycon gown, but a long one, styling with a peach bag and a nude moves. Yes guys, this outfit is just giving, I'm going to see my mother-in-law, I'm going to see my family, or just something home, kind of casual but classy, but dressed and not underdressed vibe, but it's still yet a simple look. I started up by bringing it up a little bit to just give this midi sized gown look. Okay, next on here we have this gorgeous office kind of corporate look. I call it office look because it's just me wearing a skirt that I have to tuck in my top into it, so it's kind of giving this office or corporate look. Yeah, if you're a banker or you work in a corporate society which you're allowed, you're actually comfortable to wear this particular length of skirt, then you should possibly go for this, because it's going to give you this cheeky yet stunning outfit. But you can actually switch this up to be more casual by removing the top and making an overlay over the skirt. It still comes out really nice because of the material of the top is actually more kind of elastic, and it just gives you this nice fit. Yeah, so that's how I styled this particular outfit. I hope you love it, because I did. Next on here is a streetwear style. Yes, if you're into streetwear styles, like into sneakers and you just like comfortable fit, so this style should be for you. You just need to get a play suit like I did. I got an ash play suit and paired it up with an oversized white t-shirt, which I use as a jacket or an overall, because I couldn't wear just a play suit alone. It depends on your choice. If you can actually use a play suit on your own, you can actually wear it, rock it. So I rocked it with my white and ash sneakers, paired it up with a socks, and then carried my cross bag. Hope you love it. So guys, this outfit is just so casual yet cute. If you have a black trouser, I'm not making good use of it, my dear, please. I think you need to give it to someone who will make use of it, because black trousers are so versatile. They are versatile pieces that you can use to style any kind of outfit. Like I used this black trouser to style this my singlet here, my white singlet, and you can also use it to style so many other tops, like crop tops or oversized graphic t-shirt, and so many other tops. You could use your black trouser to style, so make sure you're trying to be very versatile. So this is just me here trying to cross check if this particular cross bag was better than the first monochrome Louis Vuitton bag I styled with it. So hope you love it, because I really did love it. Okay guys, so next on we have this LBD, which we all know it's a little black dress, which is, you know, a very compulsory item in your wardrobe. Should I say compulsory, or should I say it's an essential or important item you need to have in your wardrobe? Because if you have an LBD, which is a little black gown, you could pair it up with so many outfits. Like I say, versatile items are the best. When you have a versatile item, you can rock it in any way you want to rock it, and it will look so pink. So this is just me styling my little black dress with a nude mousse and my Louis Vuitton crossbag. I also try to style it with my hair tie. If you've seen my IG page, you see that I styled this LBD with this scarf and it turned out really bomb. I paired it with the white glass, and you know, god, it was, you know, giving this rich auntie vibes but classy and bougie. Okay, next on here we have another black outfit. Yes, it's not going to be all bodycon. We have flea outfit here as well. So if you love flea outfit, then this outfit should be your favorite of all. So guys, this is a black but yet transparent dress. This outfit is actually very, you know, pink, and you know, just this, should I say, just cute, and doesn't really need stress. I started with a pink bag at first, then I decided to, you know, take a belt and, you know, kind of tie it across to see which style is actually more better. So this is it. That's how I styled this fit, and I think I prefer it this way. I hope you really loved all these fits I showed you, and I hope you really make good use of it and style your outfit or your wardrobe in whatever way you like that would look stunning or gorgeous. Okay, so guys, if you stayed to the end of this video, I just want to say I love you and thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in my next video. So guys, do well to drop or put down below in the comment section which particular outfit is your favorite of all these outfits, and remember to subscribe and like this video if you haven't. See you in my next video. Bye.